Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to solve a problem of class 10th mathematics arithmetic progression. You can see the problem is been given on the problem is on the screen. Let me solve this problem. Find the sum of, there are two options we have to solve this. Find the sum means if we are going to add this, sum means we are going to add first 1000 positive integers. So what is the solution? Here is asking how much the first 1000 positive integer means S1000 we have to calculate. The sum of the first 1000 positive integers we need to calculate, and second option the first n positive integers means we are going to add the first n number of positive integers that we have to add Sn. Okay. Now see children. So first let we take let the sum of first 1000 positive integers be, let we assume which are the first 1000 positive integers, be, that is Sn is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, like this you should add 1000 numbers. If you are going to add like this from 1 to 1000 numbers, what is the answer he is asking? That means sum of n numbers. N is nothing but here 1000. Okay. If you are going to add this all 1000 numbers, instead of n, now I will substitute here as S1000. If I are going to add this all sum of 1000 terms, so what is the answer you will get? That is the question. Now in this you can see we know the first term is 1. Can you see this is my first term and this is my second term, this is my third term and this is my last term, correct? First term is 1 and what is the common difference? That is A2 minus A1. Second term is 2 minus first term is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so common difference is 1. And what is the nth term? An. An can also be written as L, last term, that is nothing but 1000. Done. So shall we substitute? Okay, we know the formula if when we know the first term and last term. Here first term also we know, last term also we know, common difference also we know. But if you know first and last, you can use this formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus L. L means last term, that is nth term. So this is the formula, one more formula we are using to find sum of n terms. Now we are finding sum of 1000 terms. So n value is 1000, that is n value is 1000 by 2 into first term is 1 plus what is the last term? Last term is 1000. Last term is 1000. Okay. Now we can see here 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. These 2 zeros will multiplied here. That is nothing but 500 into 1000 plus 1, that is 1001. 1001. If you are going to multiply 500 and 1001, you will be getting the answer 500500. If you want, you can cross check. So this is the sum of first 1000 terms. Now we can write here, therefore the sum of first 1000 positive integers is 500500. So this is option 1 answer. Any doubts? Understood? Very good. Now let me solve the next case. Option 2. What is the question? The first n positive integers. So let we assume let the first n positive integers be, okay, that is Sn is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, but how many integers we are adding? We don't know. So n number of integers we are adding. So let we assume the last term as n. Okay, let we assume in this case the last term as n. In that case he has given 1000. So last term was 1000. In that case 1000 integers. So we are adding till last term is 1000. But here n integers we don't know till where. Now here we can see what is the first term. First term is 1. common difference is a2 minus a1. Second term is 2 minus first term is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So common difference is 1. And what is the nth term? Nth term value is n. Here again we can see, we know first term and we know last term. Last term means nth term. Nth term is nothing but L. Okay. So we know first term and last term. Yes. So we can use the formula Sn is equals to, okay, Sn is equals to, but here you can see children's, how many number of terms are there children's here? So which formula can we use here? Because nth term here is given, but nth term value is n. Can you see this? Nth term value is n. So we are using n positive integers. We are going to add the sum of first n positive integers. So though he can use the formula Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Remember this formula, very important formula. Whenever you are going to add the sum of first n positive integers, then you have to use the formula Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. Are you getting children? Did you understand this case? Very good. Got it? So what is the, because you can see here n into n plus 1 by 2. How did we get this? How did we get this? Can you tell me how we got this form? See children, I will show you how we got this form. See, we know that if first term and last term is given, Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l, we use this formula, correct? So what is the value of n? We don't know. Keep it as it is, by 2. What is the first term? Can you see here we have done no first term. What is the first term? 1. What is the last term? N. Shall we substitute? First term is 1 plus last term is n. So this can be written as n into n plus 1 or 1 plus n. Both are same. Okay. I am writing n into n plus 1 by 2. This is what is this form. So this is our final answer. Did you understood how we got this? Yes. This is also one of the important formula where we use directly to add the sum of n positive integers. So this is the derivation what I have shown how we got this formula. Okay, but here also it remains same. I hope you have understood this problem, how to solve this. If you have liked this video, click the like button and share this video to your all friends, so let they also get an opportunity to learn with Faisal sir. Are you getting children? Is this clear? So this is the problem I am showing you right from the beginning. You can see here, this is a case what we have solved right now in this problem. Got it? Share this video, give a comment, how was this class, how was this session. And still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can find the instant notification and updates of our rest of the classes. Thank you. Keep watching. Bye bye.